guys, so in our today's session we will be learning how we can force out our users who have not been active on our database, or based on the session history we can log out the users as well, so that we have the structured way of, from the security perspective, that no one everyone should have the type of their passwords every 1 month or every week. So to enable that we have to go into the groups. So let's jump into the relevant group. So let's say I want to restrict the access for those sales/administrator group. But for before that, you have to go into the apps module, and there is this module of auth timeout that you have to search out, and after that you can activate this one. So it's activating right now, and now we will go back into the groups again, and we will select the group on which we want to enable that. So let's say for this sales/administrator, now we have a separate tab of the timeouts. So in the timeouts we have two things. One of them is the inactivity and the other is the session. So inactivity is basically after how much time period of their inactivity into the database they should be out of the system. So if we enable that, this one, it will ask which of the method they should use to sign in again. Either they should just type out their password, or they should also do the two-factor authentication to sign in again into the system. So this is the sign in process that you can select, and after that you have the time period of how much time of the inactivity you are forcing users out of your system. So let's say 25 minutes. So here we do have the timer of 3 minutes, so you can change it to hours based on your preferences. So after you save it, it will take it from there and will apply accordingly. And the next thing we do have is the per session based. So every time I just sign into the system, that time period is being recorded as the session. So if you want to restrict the users to not have longer access than 1 week, every week they should sign into the system by signing out their password. So you can enable the session force logout as well, and here you can also select either they should log in again with the password or with the two-factor authentication. And here you can set out the interval as well, each day they should be able to sign in, or after let's say 35 days they should be able to sign in again with the password. So this is how you can manage the inactivity and sessions history, and this is a good thing from the security perspective. Thank you. See you in the